What's going on, everybody? It's Danny from Slow Restoration, and yes, I'm a little scruffy here. We just got back off vacation, and who else doesn't like to shave when they're on vacation? I know I don't. But we were actually in the Florida Keys, and the weather was absolutely perfect there. It was like mid 70s at nighttime, mid 80s, or even high 80s in the daytime. So quite a difference when we got back here, and when we woke up and it was 16 degrees out here. Quite a shock to the system. But anyway, we have the Camaro sitting here. It's been sitting here for about 2 weeks. Let's get this thing fired up and we'll go run some errands. Look at that car, isn't she beautiful? She's a little dirty, definitely needs a wash job. Sounds amazing too, let's get in and go. Definitely glad we can have heated seats days like this. And of course we have to put the rev match on. This car is just not the same driving without it. As you can see here too from the pile of snow, we have had some weather here. Fortunately we were gone when it happened, but there's the remnants of it. Here's why driving this car is so much fun. Let's see if we can get this. Alright, we're back home. That was a fun little drive. We actually have a lot of projects going on in the shop, and we need to get cracking on those and get them done. We have the shop truck, we got a Camaro, we're doing mini tubs that we're actually going to start on very, very soon, and we might even be able to get the Turbo GMC down to the track one more time. Thanks for tuning in, please subscribe, and have a nice day.
Yeah, doggy.